Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into the enchanting world of origami with a step-by-step guide to creating your own origami rabbit. Origami is a fantastic art form. That allows you to transform a simple piece of paper into a wide variety of shapes and figures. It's not only fun, but also teaches patience, precision, and concentration. So, let's get started. Our first challenge is to transform a square. Piece of paper into the shape of a rabbit. Once you complete this step, the rest will be easy and enjoyable. Firstly, fold your paper in half along its longest side, then fold it in half again along the other side to create a perfect square shape. Next, fold your paper diagonally from corner to corner to create the creases. Now, unfold these creases and create new creases that meet in the middle of the paper. This will form your rabbit's ears and nose. Once you have these creases in place, it's time for one of the most crucial steps, shaping the head of your rabbit. For this, you need to make sure that your creases are sharp and precise. Once you have that down pat, it's time for the fun part, shaping the body. And there you have it. You've mastered your first origami rabbit. The key with origami is patience and practice. The more you do it, the better you become at creating intricate shapes and figures. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on creating an origami rabbit as much as I did. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun crafts and projects. Until next time, happy folding everyone!